Hi all. This is just a short video that's going to talk about what we're going to be doing this week. Right before Easter, 4/6 to 4/8. On Monday, we are going to be completing a worksheet. Before we complete that worksheet, we're going to be listening to a video that talks about what a polyhedron is, what a face on a polyhedron is, how to find the edges, and how to find the vertices, as well as a short discussion on Euler's formula, and then the video walks through some examples that will help you tremendously on completing the worksheet. The worksheet will be about finding the number of faces, edges, and vertices of a polyhedron. And then on Tuesday, we're also going to be doing another worksheet. Before the worksheet, you'll be watching a video on how to find the lateral and surface area of prisms and cylinders. So the video will go over what lateral area means, what surface area means, the formulas to use for each, what a prism is, and what a cylinder is. And then it'll walk through some examples that'll help you complete your worksheet. You will only have assignments on Monday and Tuesday. I will not be giving any new assignments on Wednesday, so I will not see you after you turn in your assignment on Tuesday. I won't see you until we come back from Easter break, so happy Easter.